Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Bruce Wayne from Wayne Enterprises. I hope you know who I am. This is lesson 6, comparing decimals, my friends. We're going to compare, in this moment, in this situation, we're going to compare 202 hundredths. I want you to notice the TH on this word. That means we're working with using measurements smaller than 1. And notice that that one has that ending and this last one as well. When you read it, this is how you write it down. Now, let me just write something over here so you understand better. These are my notes. So when I have 1 over 100, that equals 1. So if I have 200 over 100, hundredths, that equals 2. When you do the division, that's the answer, right? So if you look at this number right here, that's 202 hundredths. It says 202, that means we have a number 2, a whole number on the ones. And then we have 200. When you say 200, this is the way you write it. That means this number has to be on the second place. You don't even need the 0 right here. You just write it 200. So you say tenths, these are the tenths, and these are the hundredths. So you write it here. And then you say, I have 0 tenths. So you write a 0 there. Okay, that's going to be compared to the next number. The next number we're comparing is 200. Now look at this, it says DS, not TH. So that means we have 200. So this is the ones place. These are the ones place. These are the tenths place. And these are the hundredths place. So we're going to write the number 2 there. And if it says 200, that means 0 tenths and 0 ones. When you see the word and, that means period, decimal point. So that means in 2,000. Okay, so I know that the thousands are in this place. This is the place for the thousands. I will write the number there. And the empty spaces are telling me that we have 0 hundredths and 0 tenths. So that's how you would write the number. Now let's write the inequality to write the symbol that will make this inequality true. So we'll start with 202 hundredths compared to 200 hundredths and 2,000. Don't forget the TH at the end, my friends. That is telling you this is small measurement. So we decided, and this, I forgot the period here, the decimal point. So we can say now that 200, 2 and 200 is less than 200 and 2,000. That's how you write the inequality. That's how you would say it. So 2 and 200 is less than 200 and 2,000. That's the reading. This is going to be less than. Okay, my friends? So let's go to the comparison. Now, we're going to use the same information to arrange these numbers in increasing order. And we're going to use the place value chart as well. So we'll write the first number. Our first number is 3 and 49 thousandths. Our next number, 3 and 59 thousandths. Our third number is 3 and 5 hundredths. And the last one is 3 and 4 hundredths. Now, you would say, Mr. Magno, why is that, Bruce Wayne, sorry about that, Bruce Wayne, How do you know the place value? Well, you know that these are the ones, decimal. These are the 1/10, and the 100ths, and these are the 1,000ths, my friends. That's how you know. All we got to do now is identify the one that is the smallest, because we're going to write from the increasing, going up. So let's see. If we look at the ones, they're all the same, 3 ones. If we look at that 1/10, that's 0, they're all the same. But if you look at the 100ths, my friend, we know that this is smaller and this is smaller. But we're looking for the smallest. So now we got to look at the number next to it. See the number that makes it 49 thousandths. And this is only 40 thousandths if we add a 0 here. So now we know that this number here is the smallest. So we have to increase in order. So we will start with that number, 3 and 4. This will be the first number to be written on. The second, because we compare these two, the second will be that number. So then you will write the number in that order, 3 and 49 thousandths. Okay? And now let's do the second part. Here, let me use a different color so you can see it. I will use the color blue, a light blue. So now we're going to compare these two to find which one is the greatest. If I compare again, 3 ones, they're the same on the ones. 1/10, they both have 0. The 500, they have the same. But if we look at 1,000, this one is greater. So this number will be written last. And this will be our third number to write in increasing order. So it's small, and then increases into the next one. And the third one is 3 and 500. And the last one will be 3 and 59 thousandths. So my friends, this is how you would arrange this number in an increasing order. Increasing order. My friends, watch the video again. Don't just do it once. You need to watch it more than once, at least 2 times, 3 times. Remember that we humans learn with repetition. You watch the same thing over and over. My friends, signing out from Wayne Enterprises, Bruce Wayne.